Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. In this video, we are going to revise the objectives covered by the last week. Our lesson is about how are birds different from other animals. These are the objectives. We have to identify the body features of the bird group, and for that birds use their lungs to breathe, indicate the characteristics of birds. We start here by showing different pictures about birds. As we see, the birds have beak to eat, they have two legs, they have wings, their body is covered with feathers, and they live above the water, which means they live on land. When these animals live on land, they use their lungs to breathe. In this picture, as you see, their body is covered with feathers. Different pictures here shows us different things. We have different birds in the first one. All of these birds have a beak to eat, and this beak is different from one to other because each bird eats different types of food. In the next one, we see that these animals can reproduce by laying eggs inside the nest, and when these eggs hatch, the mother takes care for its babies. Are these birds? To answer this question, I have to search for two things. First, I have to search if there is a beak and if the body is covered with feathers. So, the hen, it has beak to eat and it's covered with feather. Also, the duck, it has beak and its body is covered with feather. So, these are birds. Let us practice these questions. What covers the body of a bird? Feathers. How does a bird keep warm? Also by its feathers. How does a bird move? What body parts help it move each way? Birds can walk with legs and fly with wings. Do birds have teeth? If not, what do they have instead? No, birds, they don't have teeth. They have beak instead. Do all birds fly? No, but all birds, they have wings. Can a bird live in water? Does it breathe with gills or with lungs? No, birds cannot live in water, so it uses lungs to breathe. How do birds make young? By laying eggs. Do birds care for their young? Yes, they do. Now, is this animal a bird? As we said before, all birds have beak and their body is covered with feather. So we see this duck, it has beak and its body is covered with feather. So this is a bird. We can write, yes, it has a beak and feathers. Let us complete this map. Birds, what do you know about birds? They live on land. They breathe with their lungs. Their body is covered with feathers. They have to walk. So these animals, they have legs to walk, and to fly, they have wings. Now, let us look at the objectives for the next week. We have to identify the body features of the mammal group, the third animals group. And for that, mammals live mostly on land and breathe with their lungs. Indicate what covers the body of some animals, and classify animals according to their characteristics. Hope you understand well this topic. See you later, my lovely students. Goodbye.